If Xero jargon has you lost or you're tired of tutorials that just show you how without explaining why, you found the right place. Welcome to Burton's Academy. Hit that subscribe button now and let's simplify accounting and Xero together. I'm Lucy, your ACCA and Xero Advisor Certified Accountant with extensive experience in both industry and practice. I created this channel to cut through the jargon and deliver clear, actionable tutorials. My videos aren't just about showing you what to do. I'll be sharing my screen, providing step-by-step guides, and crucially explaining the reasons why we do things. This means some videos might be a little longer, but you'll gain a much deeper understanding. I know your time is precious, so while some sessions will be more in-depth, many will still be kept concise. My aim is to help you quickly find the solutions you need, avoid common errors, and work with genuine confidence. This is a space built to empower you to grow your accounting experience and streamline your learning. If there's anything specific you'd like me to cover, please don't hesitate to comment on the videos or email me directly at burtons.academy@hotmail.com. I'd love to create a video that answers your questions. Please note the content provided is for general educational purposes only and does not constitute personalised financial or accounting advice. If you find the content useful, I'd love for you to like and share it with family and friends. Your support means the world to me and helps me reach even more people who could benefit from this training. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you master Xero here at Burton's Academy.